Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing a review of a brand new Gabor wig called Radiant Beauty. And I'm bringing it to you in two colors. We got dark copper, which is also known as GL30-32. And we've also got, later on in the review, black coffee, which is known as GL2-6. So, let's talk about this wig. First of all, the star attraction of this wig is obviously its killer hair texture. This is a gorgeous hair texture. Like, the curls are super cute. Look at that. Looks like I've been scrunching it all day. Like, it's pretty impressive. I'm kind of loving this hair texture. And I don't really see many wigs that have exactly this kind of curl pattern. Because it's basically like that boho beach spiral on steroids. It's like lots of it, as if they added a lot of like that, you know, sea spray mist and then just went like this all day long. You know, that's what it looks like, to me at least. It's just beautiful, effortless. Oh, so pretty. So if you like that texture but don't like the work that goes into it, haha, you've got a wig now. I'm actually really blown away with how much I love this wig. The length of it is really lovely. The texture is beautiful. You know, I just really dig it. So let's talk about the color. This one is that dark copper color. So I'm gonna hone in on that. I think that the color description on this one, as in dark copper, really does do a good job of describing it, even though it's not really all that dark, you know, like a lot of Gabor colors. It's kind of lighter than the color code would indicate, and also lighter than the name would imply. So in this particular case, it's a medium auburn, a number 30, with an Irish red mixed in, you know, that has a little bit of true red in it as well. So it's a very beautiful blended color. All Gabor colors are blended. They don't really have colors that have like super highlighted tones. If you're looking for a wig line that has more highlighted shades, you want to steer towards the Envy line or something like that. But this is a great line if you like subtle color variations and colors that, you know, have a hint, you know, that they might be highlighted but don't scream, I got highlights. Then these are the colors for you. Very beautiful wig. Let me show you what this one looks like all the way around. I'm gonna fluff her up just a little bit because this is straight out of the box, so she's a little flat even to where she could be. This one could give you a lot of volume because of that texture. It does have really good movement, as you can see when the wind blows. Just very beautiful, beautiful wig. Now with all wigs that are this heavily textured, you don't want to comb it. You don't want to comb it, you just want to use your fingers to play with it. Because if you comb it, you'll basically, you know, be uncurling the curl, and you will never be able to get it to look exactly like this again. So if all you're looking for is just to relax it a little bit, to get it to look a little bit more natural, your fingers are really your best bet there. Oh, isn't that just dynamite? So let me show you the lace front, which slipped a little bit while I was styling it. There we go. I don't use tape when I'm doing these reviews, so sometimes when I get a little, you know, vigorous with the fluffing, they can move around. Also, this cap is quite generous. This particular average size cap is going to be large on a lot of people who have, you know, smaller than average heads. On me, I think it fits quite comfortably, but I'm used to wearing average size wigs, so it has a lot more room here at the perimeter than I'm accustomed to. Very lovely. So let me show you what the interior of the cap looks like on this one in black coffee. As you can see, we've got that monofilament side part, lace front, got a little pop of permatease here on the side. It's open wefted on the sides and the back, quite stretchy as I mentioned before on the sides. Velcro adjusters at the nape. We've got an extended felt nape here in the back. Very nice cap construction on this one. And if I, this one still has its zigzag part, so let me fix that so I can show you the monofilament here. I like showing off the monofilament features on wigs that have dark colors because it's hard to hide the knotting issues on dark colors. That's actually pretty good. You can see the monofilament side part's a little bit on the sparse side, but if you wear a wig cap underneath it, you should be a-okay there. And then the lace front on this one, as well as the other one, are pretty well done. They do go straight across though, so if you like that little bit of contour in the middle of your lace fronts, you're not really going to get that with any of these Gabor lace front wigs. So let's talk some specs. Radiant Beauty weighs 3.75 ounces, which is a great weight for a wig that's this voluminous and this luscious of a mid-length. The front down is 10.5 inches. The crown down is also 10.5. The sides are 11.25, so they're a little longer than the front and the back. And then the nape is 10. So now I'm going to go ahead and take Radiant Beauty in dark copper off and put the one in the black coffee on, so you can kind of see what it looks like in a really nice dark color too. Ah, this wig looks great in dark colors too. Look how beautiful that is. And this, by the way, is, like I said, that black coffee color, which isn't really black. It's more of like a sort of chocolatey espresso brown color, because when the light hits it, you can see it's got a little bit of warmth to it, just a little hint of it. And when I dip my head out of the light, it's quite a bit darker, but it's still not, you know, black. So if you're looking for an off black, you're going to have a hard time finding one in the Gabor line. All their brunette shades tend to be a little bit lighter than their color codes would otherwise indicate. This is right out of the box, has not been fluffed. The texture looks just like this when you buy it. So let me go ahead and do another little 360 for you. So there you have it. This has been the CysterWigs review of the Radiant Beauty wig by Gabor in two different colors. We brought you dark copper, which is GL30-32, and black coffee, which is GL2-6, which is not a black color whatsoever. It's more like a dark sort of espresso brown. So until next time, I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Check out my web store if you get a chance. It's just www.CysterWigs.com. Until next time, have a great night. Bye-bye.